5 ways to make money online in 2025. Now, are you still wondering how you can increase what you have through online? Online has a lot of opportunities, and if you are not leveraging on it, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Whether you are working or you're jobless or you are trying to start something, you can actually make lots of money online if you understand what to do. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways, and these 5 ways are, they are proven that if you can take one, just one of them, and start today, you will have yourself something to smile in the next 30 days. Number one is affiliate marketing. So many persons have heard the word affiliate marketing. Some have even tried out something, but got frustrated along the way because they didn't do it well. Now, for everything that's not working that you're doing, check it very well. The gap is knowledge. If you have done affiliate marketing before and it didn't work, the only thing that happened is that there is something you don't know, because people are making lots of money through it, right? So that means you need knowledge. You need knowledge around it. And that's why I'm encouraging you to get a course that we have designed. We call it Affiliate Marketing A to Z, which will guide you step by step on how you can do affiliate marketing and make money from it. We broke it down, every single thing, from understanding what the concept is, to how to get started, to how you can sign up, how you can promote the product, what you need to do to get people to buy. All those things we have taken care of in the course, and the link will be in the description. So affiliate marketing has the capacity and the potential to turn your finances around if only you understand how to do it. I mean, there's nothing to lose if you are down already. This is what to take off. People spend money on scams. They invest their money in things that doesn't produce anything. At the end of the day, they return back to square one. So the money you're going to invest on this course, it will be worth it. So I don't want to stress this too much. Just know that affiliate marketing. So whether you take our own course or you take another course, make sure you learn before you start. But that's the problem. So many people start things they don't know and they get frustrated along the line. So make sure you learn it. You understand how to do it before you get started. If you don't start. If you don't learn it, please don't start, because you're going to be frustrated and you don't make any money, and it will be a waste of time. All right, that's number one. Number two is online tutoring, online teaching, online coaching, as the case may be. This one is, people are catching out from it. But of course, it has to do with what you know, what you can do. And there are platforms that can help you do this. Right? There are platforms that can help you teach people. Either you're teaching them one-on-one. If you want to do one-on-one, you can use something like Zoom to teach people one-on-one. You can use Google Meet. You can even use Telegram. So you don't need to spend extra money to do this one. All right? The only thing you need to do is to market, because that's where so many people are. So how do I get people to know what I do? That's a different thing altogether. All right? Knowing how to get people to know what you do means that you have to also learn how. All this is still boils down around knowledge. You have to learn how to communicate your value. Let people know what you have to offer. Like what I'm doing now, I'm letting people know what I can offer. So you may not know, but that's what I'm doing. It's part of what I'm doing. So as you watch the YouTube video, you are getting convinced that this person knows this thing. So some people reach out, but after watching YouTube videos, they say, "Oh, I want you. Can you do this for me?" Do you understand it now? So you need to learn how to communicate what you have. It's not enough to have the skill. The skill is good, but it doesn't solve all the problem. People have skill and they are still frustrated. How do I now communicate what I have? There are several ways you can do that. You can do what I'm doing. You can use YouTube. You can use other social media handles. Even your WhatsApp can communicate what you do. So communicating what you do for people to know is the way to bring customers, because customers will not fall from heaven, right? So online tutoring is about you knowing something. It can be academic things like maths, English, language, and all that. It can be skills like digital marketing, web design, coding, cooking, tailoring. Can be anything you know. People are looking for what to learn, and there are so many platforms you can utilize. There's Teachable, there's Udemy, there's Skillshare. There are so many platforms you can utilize to share what you have. So either you are talking to people one-on-one, or you produce a course and put the video online for people to learn from you. Any which way, this thing can bring money, and it's all about taking a step. And even if you don't know anything, because there's nobody that doesn't know something. Everybody knows something. It's just that you may not be confident enough to share that thing. All right. So if you are not confident enough to share it, then you need to build that confidence. If you know that thing, start from what you are comfortable sharing. Or you can take a course on communication, how to communicate. Take a course on digital marketing, so that you know how to sell what you have online. All right, that's number two. Number three is e-commerce or dropshipping, selling something online. Selling something online, a physical product, a virtual product, anything at all. You want to sell something online, so you can create a website, make it an e-commerce store, and source for products, put on the website, market. If people buy, you get it from another place. That's actually dropshipping, right? So another person owns the product, deliver the product, you only to market it. You can do it in several ways. It's just about selling something online. And you don't need to have any product. You don't even need to have any money at all. All you need to do is to have the money to be able to put your platform up. You don't need to own one product, but you must be able to market and bring in customers. So when people need it, you now get it from those you have already agreed with and sell. That is number 3. Number 4 is freelancing. Freelancing is when you have learned a skill and you are offering that skill to as many persons, agencies, companies, at the same time. You are not employed with them, or you're on your own. You deliver the whatever service they want from you and collect your money. So you can be serving 10 clients at the same time. There are platforms you can use: Fiverr, Upwork, so many platforms, several of them. The best one that most people do not even use very well is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform that can showcase you. It's tailored, it's powerful, it can reach very important personalities that will use you, that will offer you a lot of money to do what you do. But you must be able to showcase that thing that you do. People must be able to know that this is what you can do, and they trust you for it. And the way to do it is to show up every day with what you can do. Find a way to help people ahead of time. Like in digital marketing, we call it help before selling. For instance, what I'm doing now, I'm helping you ahead of time. You're not paying me any money. I'm not getting any money from you, but you're already collecting some value. I'm helping you ahead of time. Some of you will, after watching the video, reach out and maybe we can do business. That way, I now earn money. So you must be able to do that using your social media platform, your LinkedIn. Show people what you can do. That way they know, because people knowing what you do is very, very important. Because if they don't know what you can do, how will they come to you? Right? All the companies you go to them because you know what they can do and you believe in them. The restaurants you eat, you know that they can cook, they prepare good meals. That's why you go there to eat. It's just as simple as that. So let people know what you can do. Keep showing up every day. And as you do that, one day your customers will show up. All right? So online tutoring. The next one is content creation. Content creation and monetization. So you can actually create platforms ranging from social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all those, and create content on a particular niche. Choose an area and create content around it and become an influencer. Show up always. And before you know it, you begin to have a lot of influence around a lot of people, and you can now monetize that your knowledge through several means. TikTok pays, right? X pays people who create content. Instagram has various ways you can earn. They don't pay directly, but there are several ways you can earn from the platform. Same thing with Facebook. So it's about creating content. There are people who vlog about several things. They create videos about several things, and as a result, people come to them. As a result, they have a voice. Some do comedy, some do family programs, some do medical related stuff, some do all kind of stuff, depending on what you know, depending on your interest, depending on your passion, depending on something that can bring in money. Right? Because whatever you're passionate about is not bringing money, it's still a problem. So you need to look at what are people looking for? What are the things that can trigger people, that can solve problems for people? If you don't have knowledge around the area, get knowledge around that area and build passion around it. Because passion without money can be frustrating. So you can't say I have passion around this, and that is not really. I have passion, I'm a musician, I have passion around singing. And your singing is not producing any money. Poverty will kill you. You understand? So you cannot stay around something that's not producing money. If you have a passion around singing and the singing is not delivering money, look for another passion that can bring in money, something that people are willing to pay for. Maybe the singing will be later. When you make money, you can go and build that one. But now it's not producing any money. You understand what I mean? Because you need the money to take care of your bills. So these are the 5 things that can produce money for you online right now. I'm not saying do the 5 of them at once. No, pick one. Pick just one and run with that one. Right? That one will produce results. If you check all of them very well, there's always one that will resonate with you. There's always one you can start immediately, that you have the resources to actually start. All of them actually can take off immediately, but there's still one that maybe that's easy for you to take off. Pick that one and start. If you need knowledge, there are things you need to understand and you don't understand, then you need to get the knowledge. And I encourage you to take digital marketing training. If you take a good digital marketing training, you're going to learn everything that you need to be able to do any of these things I've mentioned. And of course, the money will come in, because if you run off without knowledge, what will follow is frustration. And once frustration comes in, you will quit. And once you quit, your problem remains. You will not move from where you are. So I hope you have found value in this video, and I hope you love it. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, well, go ahead, subscribe, so that you always know when we release a new video.